Yay. Let's see what do you need to do. Dum, 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 dum.
Era de la mine.
Ce era?
Sunetul ăla, dacă te auzeai de 2 ori, că am vrut să
Vai.
verific pe YouTube dacă se aude.
Join Discord. The life has ended. Oh, it ended. Yay. I mean. Okay. Now let's see. Planning some work for today. Okay, so create a team feature. Okay, and let's go for this one. Create a team feature. Assign to myself, and I'll go into refinement, and then, well, it's already in refinement, and then create a team feature. Assign to. No, that's blocks. Anyway. Create a team feature. Do it again. Status. Change the status later. Convert it to issue 4. Wow. V5. Okay. It's an enhancement. And then it's in refinement. Now since it's in refinement, I can think about it. Okay. So what do I need to do here? Well, as a user, I want to, as a user that visits the landing page of wowdope.com. I want to be able to see a section for teams session with teams that are active in the wow Unity. Yay. There should be 5 teams in total. 4 out of 5 will be for level 1 and 1 for level 2. Maybe I can enumerate those ones like that, or maybe with a star. Okay, what else? 2 of the 4 level 1 teams are for TikTok. 2 of the 4 level 1 teams are for YouTube. What else? Every team will get practice pre-interview and get hired access to, and this is practice to see how the preview looks like. Yay. Okay.
Above, below.
Okay, if we remove this or at least go like that, yeah. So now we got practice pre-interview with or without mentor, or without mentor. What else? A team will have 5 places. Each place can be filled by 1 full time or 2 part time. Yay! What else? Te întrebări pe aici. Dacă să fac bani buni, de ce îți bați capul să vezi pe cineva? Este mai bine? Nu e vorba de și mai bine, dar după 25 de ani de programare, mai te schimbi de la o companie la alta. Și când te schimbi de la o companie la alta ca mine și nu e prima, nu e a doua, nu e a treia, nu e a 10-a, nu e a 20-a, te gândești așa, tu de fiecare dată când pleci de acolo, pleci doar cu cunoștințele tale, dar cu munca pe care ai făcut-o o lași acolo, că e a lor. Și vezi tu acum, eu fac ce fac la muncă, exact ce fac la muncă, tot programare fac cu cei pe care îi ajut, însă munca pe care o fac rămâne tot la mine, cum ar veni. Dacă se adună ceva, se adună tot la mine. Că, na, așa se întâmplă, așa se numește o afacere, cum ar veni, știi? Când ai afacerea ta. Și să vedem ce o ieși. Iese mai bine, nu iese mai bine. Vedem. Nu m-am gândit la asta. M-am gândit doar la faptul că să muncesc pentru mine, nu pentru alții. Bun. Deci, each place can be filled by 1 full-time or 2 part-time. Ce-am mai zis pe aici? Each... Ok, până aici. Până aici e bine deocamdată. Ok. What else? Get enable next place so new members can apply. Currently we have about okay, how many? YouTube join mode up. So if 510 subscribers on YouTube and about 5,600 on TikTok. Okay, let's go and watch TikTok now. So on TikTok there are 504. Okay, 5604. Build an algorithm to support generating data based on configuration inputs. So each 1,000 subscribers. Cum se numesc pe TikTok dacă nu sunt subscribers? Followers. /follow subscribers on YouTube or followers on TikTok. A new place gets unlocked in the current team until all get unlocked. Yay! For TikTok team 1 or YouTube team 1. Once we reach 5,000, which we've already done on TikTok, 5,000 subscribers or followers. Okay, let's do here stage 1. Okay. Stage 2. So, followers. Each new unlocked place in a team will require 5,000 subscribers or followers each. Yay! Now if you are to make a table here, not sure how to make a table, but maybe like this. What? And then I got 1, 2, 3. 1,000. Hey, enter. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. This is at 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25, and then 30. Okay, preview. Wow, that's not a table. Update comment anyway. That doesn't look like a table. Mark down table in GitHub. L-am pus eu pe asta oare sau ce? Că nu i-am pus minus, cred că. Trebuie să mai pun un deasupra. Ok. Place and subscribe. Okay, preview. Still not rendering as a table. Still not doing it. At least 3 dashes. Okay, maybe I don't have enough dashes. This is preview.
No, it's not that apparently.
Bollocks. Why doesn't it work? Anyway. I don't think it works. Maybe it doesn't support it or what. Anyway. I don't know what to do.
Wait.
I'll go over here. And now let's multi-line edit.
Yeah, the problem is under the first line. There should be that thing like with pipe, mine 3 dashes and then pipe. I think. Let me see on mine.
Who are you talking to?
To you.
This one? I've tried it anyway. You can try it in a different comment if it works. That's fine. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. So it's kind of the idea. We already got 5 places unlocked on TikTok, and then 5 more will be unlocked once we get more and more subscribers. Now it's 5 times harder to unlock one place because it was 1,000 per place, and now it's 5,000 per place. So that's what it needs to reflect in the algorithm. What else? With or without mentor. Number of subs, we can already get it from there. And we need 2 scripts to scan for the total of, let's see, enable next place members can apply. Okay. Maybe over here we need to do what?
Yes.
Build.
So I found out how.
Connect and read from YouTube API v3 subscribers count. Then we need for TikTok. Okay. Load the profile page HTML string with and read followers count. Hey. Now we kinda created some things over here. Probably this one. Okay. Mentor with or without mentor. 5 places. Okay, what else? Not sure if those are called stages anyway, we still need to build it. Dark profile. So dark profile, the idea, if you're still watching, is maybe to ask questions, different questions that bring you value. Because I don't think my awareness or my status matters too much to you. I think your status matters to you. So I don't think what I'm doing actually helps you directly. I think what you're about to do, if you're about to do anything, helps you. So maybe you should ask questions on that clarify this road if you're about to take. What could be the pros and cons of starting a journey to start learning to become a coder, not just a coder, a web developer? What does it mean to be that? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you see an opportunity or not? Is it for you? Is it not for you? So those kind of questions or similar ones could bring you more value than whatever it's for myself, because I can take care of myself for sure. So anyway, I created here a plan for what I'm about to do. Maria is, I think she's doing the same over there.
Yeah.
So this one is no longer in refinement, it's in to do. I'll add it to the milestone, accept or reject a user application. Okay, and I believe everything else is done. Cool. Now let's see, there should be 5 teams in total. Let's start with this one. Okay, so got issue 32. Now if we go into the code and we close this because we don't need it. And
Are we gonna work together on these or?
probably we'll see. Just a second, let me see if I have anything that doesn't need to be opened over here. Give me a moment. Semi-merită, semi-caută, web developmentul. E în creștere. Anyway, I'll answer in English. So the question from Mihai Soimu, is it worth it to become a web developer? Well, definitely, I would say. I've been doing it for 25 years, and year on year, it became better and better. Year on year, it evolved. It evolved to things that weren't 25 years ago, weren't 20 years ago, weren't present 10 years ago, and so on. It keeps evolving. Now, in terms of web developer as you being an asset on the job market and being capable and hireable, what does that mean to you? Well, this kind of business is growing and is going to grow about 5 times in the next 3 to 5 years, because it keeps growing in new interfaces, new apps, new technologies keep rising, and new companies benefit on this. So there is higher demand currently of high-skilled developers on the market than there are high-skilled web developers on the market. This is what I can say. So for the best ones, for the good ones, for the top 10, 20%, let's say, web developers by skill or by I would say impact in a company, in a team, for those ones, there's a very high demand, and there are lots of recruiters that act as headhunters. They are looking for you, they are looking to match you and so on. There is quite a big buzz. You just have to be there on the wave, and I believe it does worth it, and it's a good strategy for a long-term investment in terms of would you do this for the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years? This is something you could do. And anything related to working on a computer or remotely or working with your mind, not with your body or with your muscles, I'll say. Yeah, hope you like the answer. Good question, though. Thank you, Mihai. And by the way, this is what I'm trying to do now. This kind of the plan for today. I want to put this into practice, and then Maria has done a smaller one over here, and she's working on it. And hopefully, whenever this is finished, either today, tomorrow, you'll be able to see it on the new version of our website. So far, our new version, it's only over here on localhost on our computer. So let's see now. Yeah, now I can see the chat on YouTube as well. Cool. So, is it started? If it started, where is it? No, it's not started then. Or maybe it is. I don't see it. Okay, and if. Okay. What? Okay. So maybe I can grab something like this to start with it and then figure out something else. Or I'm quite interested to see if I can do something else. However, I still need 5 things. So whatever I have in indexing route, this, not the scroller, currency widget, not the currency widget, this scroller, yeah. So either this scroller or the other one on the top. No, it's not that one, come on, journey. Yay, wherever I have journey, one, is there another one? Yes, there is another one. See, so if I comment out both journeys, now I no longer get any journeys. So let's play with that. Once, well, the first journey could stay either there or in one place or another, because I still need a journey. So maybe this journey stays here. Which journey do you want to take? The free one, the level 1, level 2, or level 3? Yay, something like that. Now, instead of journey over here, I want to have something else. Maybe we call it team list. Or show team. Team presenter, team list. Whatever. So we need a team list. Now let's create into template. New folder, team list. Okay, and a new file, index.ts, and then another one, team list.tsx, and there's the const team list. There is an add-on to camel case, and by the way, Maria, I forgot about it, but it could help us in the future. Or we could use that generator, you know, the join, whatever join React generator. We built one to generate components in the future. We'll see. So anyway, team list is content that returns so far a div with each one. This is team list, and then ha. Mu. Ha. Ha. Yay. Export default team list. Yay. Now let's export from team list. Okay, there are some things over here that I do not want to hear. Yay. Now get back to this default as team list. Okay, and now if you go back to route, not this one, this one. Let's see, team list. Almost. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, so now I got team list. Hopefully it's not going to complain anymore. And now let's see. Yay, from template. It's got teams here. Now team list should stay in a row. No, team list should not stay in a row.
I
changed my mind.
Done with my ticket as well.
Hmm?
I think I might be done with my ticket as well. I'm not
That's nice.
sure.
So now let's go to team list and see if it works. This is team list. Muhaha. Yay, so it does work. It's quite nice to have a team list that says muhaha. Now, what should we do in this muhaha? Maybe remove this div because we don't need it. And now, I think we can create a team outside. Const team list is okay, not an object.
Should we work on live share?
Yeah, let's do it. I thought I already have it. I don't have
don't
it
think
on Discord either, right? Or on Zoom.
Yeah, no.
Okay, let me share screen. Okay. Yeah.
It's your microphone.
Mine. Okay. I thought there was another computer over here and I was looking at this one. Cool, anyway, can you hear me on the other one? Mr. Roblox doesn't look green.
Because if you have the headphones on, you cannot see them.
Sure. Again.
I can show you here, look. It's green. So we are talking.
Cool.
You still didn't send the link.
In a second. Okay, try this one. So we got team list now.
What am I supposed to try?
No, not you. It's who
You still
added
didn't
this one.
send the link.
Ah.
Yay.
And we have team list here again. So let's think about a team. Team should have, well, we've already written a lot of stuff, but it should have like a level, not level. The team doesn't have level. Team has
Now, like slots.
with mentor or without mentor. We'll think about it later. Definitely not now. However, we know what it needs to do. I don't think it belongs to a team because with mentor belongs to a team, but without mentor does not belong to a team.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the catch. Whatever logic we have, it must make sure that it works as expected. So, however, we have 4 teams that are level 1 and 1 level 2, so it does have a level.
Yeah.
So if we are to do this, it should look like that. And we don't need index and so on because, well, actually we could say, we could do a type.
You can have a, type or
I'll do
name.
this one and you can do the other ones, type. And type would be TikTok.
Oh, prea mult.
And then team
Oh, yeah.
index
100 fucking
1.
breaks.
Yeah, so then we got level 1, and then 2 of them are YouTube, and 1 of them is with question marks. Because the idea for level 2 is that the places are just there. So all places are open for level 2. Type maybe unlocked.
Team index, this is 2, 3, right?
Yeah, it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Because it's TikTok 1, TikTok 2, YouTube 1, YouTube 2. Okay, what else do we need? Later on, we might need to add actually members inside. We could start now with some idea. Only the first one has something unlocked, so... Well, actually, the second one has something unlocked as well, but nobody joined. And no, we haven't even told anybody about it, so nobody could join. So anyway, let's say team or member list, because we are already in a team, right?
Yeah.
Member list, and this would be a member, and a member would have initials at least, first and last. Whatever.
First and last.
Not sure why they put it like that, but anyway.
Yeah, I was wondering.
First and last would be the letter. Type would be full-time or part-time, right? Nickname. Mai bine, nu? It's better. And this would be VV. Then let's do the other ones.
Oh.
It messed up your mind. Anto. Alex.
So YouTube for now has nothing. Do I just leave it with 1?
2 secunde că sunt niște întrebări aici. Cursurile sunt gratis. Critob, a zice.
Kiritob.
Kiritob. Bă, mă, ce prost. Da, Kiritob, în fine, scuze. Deci, în răspunsul la întrebare este și da și nu. Uite, dacă te uiți acum pe ce arăt pe TikTok.
E ultimul tab, cred.
Ce anume?
Nu e ultimul tab, dacă vrei să-i arăți.
Nu de pe TikTok. Zic să intre pe YouTube. Pentru cine se uită de pe TikTok. Așa. Și mergem pe YouTube pe 2 canale. Asta e canalul ăsta nou, pe care suntem foarte activi în fiecare zi, sper, de acum încolo și dacă se poate 7 din 7, 24 din 24 pe viitor. Bun, ăsta e canalul nou. Noi mai avem unul vechi, Code Tap. Uite ăsta, dacă îl cauți, Code Tap. Și e ăsta cu roșu de aici. Iar pe Code Tap, dacă te duci și vezi de aici videos, Sunt sute și sute de videouri cu elevii pe care am ajutat până acum să angajeze. Sunt gratuite, nu te costă nimic. Pur și simplu să ai tu timp de toate și să înveți tu tot ce e aici. Cred că îți ia multe luni, poate câțiva ani să treci prin toate, nu știu, să le faci ca lumea. Însă astea sunt versiunea 1 și versiunea 2. Noi suntem la versiunea 5 acum a procesului și conținutului nostru. Și nu mai oferim suport pentru 1 și pentru 2. Le-am pus pe toate gratuit. Zeci și zeci și zeci de români s-au angajat deja cu toate astea. Îi vedeți și pe o parte din ei când lucram cu ei, când erau la început și nu știau nimic. Bun, acum astea sunt gratuite. Plătitul e în partea asta la altă. Unde a fugit, mă? I-am dat back sau? Da, aproape. Da, deci pe Join No Adopt. În ce sens? Dacă vrei ca cineva, eu ca mentor, Maria ca șef de echipă, ca team leader, să se ocupe de tine zi de zi ca să-ți meargă ție cel mai repede de la zero la angajat și să pui întrebările pe care nu poți să le pui în cursuri, pentru că nu se poate și să lucrezi exact ca într-o companie, să-ți faci CV, să mergi la interviuri, să fii ajutat cu tot mai puțin cu efortul tău. Deci totul de la zero la angajat și peste și la multiple alte oferte de angajări, ăla se plătește. Acum depinde ce cauți. Deci ai și gratuit, ai și plătit. Ai timp liber toată viața, nu știu, să-ți bați capul singur 50, 20 de ani să ajungi până aici sus. Super, mult succes. Noi deja te ajutăm și am pus o groază de conținut pe net, exact cum a făcut și Elon Musk cu patentele pentru Tesla. Așa mi-a venit și mie ideea, am pus o conținutul gratuit, în schimb, ți-am zis, 1 la 1 cu noi se plătește că fiecare trebuie să mănânce. Super. Revenind la ale noastre acum, bună întrebare, mulțumesc. Vă mulțumesc și pentru like-uri, dacă tot văd acolo că dați like. Nu știu exact că sunteți online, văd că sunteți doar 2 sau că sunteți online, nu știu, da. Vă mulțumesc. Bun.
De care nu știu.
Da. Uite, pe YouTube sunt 2. Hello, YouTube. Ok.
Scuze.
Nu-i baie. Mă gândeam că poate au întrebări pentru noi de azi. Că noi avem treabă oricum. Ok, deci rămăsem la timp, nu?
Da, făceam listă.
Anto, Alex, Buz. Punem dejonul cu SZ deocamdată, că m-am gândit să punem 4. Așa de Caterinca, dar mai târziu testăm cu 5 litere, cu mai multe, cu cuvinte, dar momentan doar așa, știi? Și cine mai trebuie să mai fie pe aici? Că asta este 1,
Antonia,
2, 3
și
Marilena și Florin, nu?
Da.
Mari și Flor.
Oricum îi aveai pe Fireable.
Da, undeva. Ok. Super. Și avem member list de aici. Însă, aici deja sunt unlocked 2. Nu? Și aici punem nickname eu, să zicem, nu?
Cred că Florin e F alone. Că a scris salut pe YouTube.
Pe YouTube. Falone, nu cred că e Florin Falone. Dar Falone ne-a mai salutat. Bună, Falone, bine ai revenit. Ok, so now let's switch back to English because it's so hard to switch back to English when you are only Romanians.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay, but every now and then I find myself speaking back into Romanian.
Default settings.
We need to change our default settings. Yeah. So anyway, you and you again. Yay. And then for this one, for Maria, you're not in this team.
I know, I just put something there.
Okay, so is this the TikTok to level 2, team index 2? Okay.
Yeah.
This one unfortunately has no member list.
Multi-lines, and that's why I put my name there.
So this one has nothing unlocked because it needs to reach 7,500 to unlock the next one.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we are going to generate all of this somehow. I'm just thinking of how to deal with it now. Okay, so we got...
So that means that this is also with nothing.
No, this one is with something, because it's already a 500.
Oh, yeah. So there should be a U.
It has a U. And could be full-time or part-time, as we discussed, but It's okay.
Yeah.
Then the next one has nothing,
Yeah.
and the next one has you. Not you. You was you, Maria.
Oh, me. Okay.
Yeah, and it's full time. So there are only 4 places left in here.
So I should put 4 of these. That's empty.
That are yeah, empty and
8.
you.
Okay. You.
Actually, leave them as full time. All 4 as full time. Because
Yeah.
I'm thinking, in this scenario, we could start with somebody as part time, but we could also wait a bit and start with 2 of them at part time.
Yeah.
Because 2 go faster than 1. So it's in their benefit to start as 2 if they start as part time. And if it's full time, then well, it's full time. So we get to be busy. Thank you, Falone. So now we've got this. Have you got something to work on yours? Do you need any?
No, for the moment I have nothing.
Okay. Should we work on both on this one or separate? What do you
We
think?
could work both, I guess.
Okay, cool. So
Maybe it goes faster.
now this one needs to be somehow iterated, not member list, the other one. This one needs to be iterated. So team list. And let's do it over here instead of this. Let's do team list.map and we get something out of it. And then we return something. Okay, so now from over here, we need to grab.
I will create a type file as well.
Okay, you can do the type for this one.
Yeah, for
If you
the
need
list, you mean, no?
Yeah, if you need any help, let me know.
Okay.
And if you want to do the type, you can do it firstly over here. Just a second. What is it?
Leave
It's an array,
format.
right? So you can do it here. Not there.
It's there, no?
Yeah. So like that and like that.
Yeah.
So now you can define anything here.
So I don't need the
Like
the other
level
file, or-
number.
Yeah.
And then the idea is once you start defining it over here, at some point you can cut it. Well, just this.
Yeah.
And then
And
move it.
move it there.
Yeah. Because it's easier. You can see them as you're doing them. And some of them have member lists, so member lists should have something like another array of whatever.
Yeah.
Good. So now, again, we can take level, we can take type, and we can take team index and a member list. Member list, level, type, and team index. Wow. we got company. The builders came and they're saying, hello, hey Marianne. We've been here for 6 months every single day. Did you miss us? Look,
Might
it's
be.
like they're singing even harder now, like Marianne. Can you still stand us? Well, it's a fat arrow missing, or what's missing? I entered some wrong place here. Something is wrong.
Yeah, the flat arrow and return is missing, I think. Or what did you do there?
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah, the flat arrow is missing, and that's, yeah.
Yeah, well, so not just the fat arrow, because this is map and it ends here. Then this is the argument. This is the fat arrow, yes. And then there is another thing that's missing, like this.
Return, no? With
Yeah,
the
and that.
body.
Now it's probably what's missing. Nothing.
Anymore.
No, that's from the other one. Come on, maybe there is another one needed here. Yeah, that's it. Cool. So now let's do level. Level and then level. Then type. And we don't need key. You done it here again, Marian. Anyway. Div. Enter.
Just gonna enter.
Enter. And then type.
Import.
And we don't need this.
Type.
And it's fine.
SD.
And we also have a team index. Where did it say TikTok? It's type, so type is TikTok, okay.
Team.
How about I say just type and then team index. Then we can do this as h3 whatever to see then better. I got level 1 TikTok 1, level 1 TikTok 2, level 1 YouTube 1, level 1 YouTube 2. And level 2, which is unlocked, and it doesn't have one here. So it's, what was the last one anyway?
Unlocked one is the
Team index?
Team index. No.
Okay, yeah, it's team index.
One.
It could be unlocked one. I don't know. Or we can name it later on something that's not unlocked. Like intensive, right? Hardcore, whatever. Some place where people actually go to die. Right? Because that's the level of effort you need to do to get over there, right? It's going to the army and harder. So anyway. Let's see, any questions? No questions. So now I'm thinking if I quickly reuse one of those ones, which is whatever, something with 16 and 9, which is the ratio, okay? Maybe I can use ratio here. Yeah, and ratio needs width, height, border, BG color, and level. Okay, width, let's do it 9. Height, let's do it 16. Let's see how it looks. I'm quite curious. And ratio, what's about it?
Border radius or what was it?
It's border.
I don't remember.
5.
Oh, border,
Oh, really? Just border?
Yeah.
Wow, we got some of them. Now, this unordered list I no longer need because I don't need list items anymore. Now, this H1 I no longer need, or do I need it? Maybe. Let's think about it. Let's put this into a row. And then this row will be full width. No, max width, right? What? Maybe row is not, okay.
Okay.
Max width. Why doesn't this see my max width? I don't know. This is it now. And now ratio needs to be inside the row as well. Not a row, a row. And then if we move it inside there, then we need to move key as well. And now we got something else. Now this should be just a row, however it's span 4. And this, it's a max width, yes. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Sexy Marian. Yeah, I think they could be just 2. Or maybe if we put more content. Otherwise we could say span 2 maybe. Yeah, this is it. Now, those ones go more or less like this. We can fill them in with other stuff, right? We go on 2, and then if you go, well, this is mobile. This is tablet. And yeah, this is it. This is it. Or like this. Cool. Either we need different pictures or we can start adding some more content and buttons and the theme list and whatever we need. However, we started to see something that would look better in the future. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. We are almost 3 o'clock, so we need to have a break in half an hour, to take a break in half an hour, because I'm gonna go to pick up the kids, have a chat with, let's see. With Mihai, yeah. So, yeah, come on, stop. Sound. So team-wise, if we started the title, we could do something else. I've already done level 1, right? Yeah, you've added a label to it. However, we got level, and then, yeah, that's cool. The idea is for the next one, maybe it could also be a label. However, I want it to be quite big. And if you can use the text that is...
Instead of text to be display?
Whatever, it just needs to be big. Because that's kind of the title of the team. It's important to be team 1, team TikTok 1, TikTok 2. It's more important than just the level. Level is just an indicator for us. Maybe we could even hide it. I don't think people really care more about it or not. They care to get hired. However, it's for us an indicator of, let's say, the level of effort required for each of them to get from one place to another, and for us as well, right? To help them. So that's cool. And now if you can wrap both of them in vertically, that would be even better.
Vertically?
Yeah, because they are horizontally now.
Oh. What is this ratio doing? Can I put them in a...
Ratio basically creates you a wrapper that gets bigger or smaller.
Oh yeah, it's this thing in the background. Okay.
Yeah, but it also keeps the height. See, it's always same ratio. Meanwhile, I might try something else, which is, I got a ratio, and ratio gets, I could give level to ratio, but a different level to ratio. Because ratio doesn't care about the same level, it has a different level. It has the key, key +1. Now we got different pictures almost, or just key. Yeah, see? Maria?
Yeah.
Well, I need one more anyway. I can do different pictures as well. Those are just some of the ones that I added there. Now, that animation,
What is wrong with this flex? What did you do here? Why is this forward ref?
It's called vertical.
Vertical, yeah, I saw that as well.
Because you already have it horizontal by default, and you don't need to send a direction with one value that you always know is the one that changes.
Yeah, okay.
And a gap of 16, let's say, or 8 maybe, because they are one next to another.
Mm-hmm.
And then justify.
Wait.
No, unalign. What? It's only one of these. So there is a row. It says span 2. Well, it is span 2. So then what's your problem? This one in here.
It doesn't take what max?
Okay.
Max width or what?
let me try something. Command Shift P, emit row span 2. Yeah, that's it. Because now I got a grid and a span 2 inside it. So now it's somehow in the middle. That's it. TikTok 1, TikTok 2, YouTube 1, YouTube 2. Different pictures though. I just set them over so we can put some computers, we can put some team members. Okay, I'm gonna think about the grid for the teams. Because I already got a ratio. What? Let me think a bit about it because this is fun. What if I do a ratio inside the ratio? Right? What happens?
It's gonna be like a trip.
Yeah, I go to the moon. Okay, what do we have inside ratio? Whatever. And I don't see it.
1 second, because you didn't put the attributes.
Why?
What? Why? For the
Yeah, sure.
for this thing. I don't know. I'm just putting something here. We'll see what's happening.
That's a 16 by 10 ratio.
16 and 10 here, you mean?
9 by 16, 16 by 9, that's the ratio, but you can change it to anything. And it's not about, now I can see it, see? Wow. Wow. So trippy. What? So trippy.
In case one of you is not enough.
If nobody had any kind of stimulant, I'm thinking about puking. This is too much for me.
Yeah.
It's just too much. Look at your eyes going bananas. Let's add at least maybe a background to one of them, right?
You can have ratio with background.
I know.
Border BG color, yes.
Yeah.
Red.
Yeah.
Oh my days. But you can't really... What? What is going on now? Wait.
Hey, got a green. What's blue? Maybe it's 100. No, maybe a blue is here. Yeah, it's kind of a blue.
I can see actually in the code because I have that extension that shows you, you know, the colors when you write them here.
See, with this kind of background, it's no longer trippy.
Wow.
And it kind of works for both of them at the same time, so I'm glad about that. And maybe we don't do it 16 by 9. Where's the ratio that you put?
Yeah,
it?
that's why I
Let's
was
do it
asking
9
you
by
what to
9.
put these. I put them weird first, but then I changed them.
1 by 1.
Nice.
Now, again, those pictures need to be changed because maybe they need to be there, maybe they don't, at least the bottom one doesn't. Because you no longer see it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can think about it. However, in this square over here, my intention was to generate, if you can look at this one, because ratio, actually let's do something else.
A map on
Times 9, and then what? Then member Yeah, kind of. Now we don't need H1s. Really, Marian? Smart. Okay, so we kind of got them here somehow. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's Pollux.
It's 9. Hmm?
Yeah, but it's a different grid.
Yeah.
Why is this grid different than this one? Okay, this is grid. What's up, Mr. Cat? Oh, so it has 3 of them. That's the it has 3 of them. So I'm not gonna use ratio for that point because it has 3 of them, and I only wanted 2 of them.
Yeah.
What I could do is have, because there's one in the middle. Why should I skip it? No. I'm just gonna do a different grid. Because you are losing time with all these bananas here. Do you have a grid system?
I think so, yeah, somewhere in Atom. Up.
Grid.
Atom.
What does this one do? It restricts the gap and padding. Ah, wow.
Very smart.
Well, it does 4. We can use this one because it does 4. But I don't need the other ones. I don't need 12.
Yeah.
No. It just needs to do one thing and that's it. So, sorry, I'm not going to use this grid. Okay, we are in team list. And team list should not care about styling. However, we might move it later on. So far, I'm pressed with time. Team list.ts import styled from SC. And then const team list. Well, I don't even know what I'm needing. I need a grid. Grid equals.
No, I just wanted to go away from there. Yeah.
Div. And then let's see. Display.
Yep.
Flex. We got display flex grid template columns. Repeat to 1 fraction. And then grid gap of 1 rem. They should be fine already. And then if we go into this one, we need to import style.
I imported it up there.
If you did import it, you could also extract this one into data, like team list data.
Put it in somewhere else?
Yeah.
You mean, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So then we got this. This is S grid here in ratio here. Yeah. Right. So we need a row. And we need an S grid. And everything in this one is to be in this one. A row needs span. How much is this one? 4? Probably. No, 3. Yeah, because this one has 3. Ratio has 3. Now with this S grid we got 2, 2, 2. But this one needs to be row. And span 2. So let's see what we have so far.
It's gonna die. 1 second.
While you do that, I'll read the comments on YouTube. No comments on YouTube, just follow me. And none on TikTok.
Should be fine now.
Should be fine.
Fine. It should be fine, that's what I was saying.
Or not.
Still dying, what's the problem? expected a string from what?
Maybe I need to restart it. No, it's still dying. Team list ESX34. Okay, how did you import it? It's not star. Yeah. Okay. Almost.
It's because I did the thing with style.
Just a second. This one, it's okay.
Yeah.
And everything else. Star, style conscript. No, let's not do this anymore. It's nice.
Really.
It's nice, but that was for somebody at work.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm no longer happy with him anymore. I don't care about this import, if he wants it or not. We've experimented with it. Okay, now it's working. Yay! And we got, well, not that. This is supposed to be span too. This is, why is it flex? Did I do flex? Yeah. Yay, now it works properly. Because member one, it spans on 2, the other one 1, the other one 1. So now we can play with members in terms of to see which ones are filled in and which ones can be applied to. Now, if I'm to look at this one, is it that one? Come on. So the idea is I want to look into this one. Yeah, just a second. This one. As a row, maybe we can do a flex. Is it flex? Probably. And then padding of 8 and a BG color. Do you have color or BG color or
BG
theme?
color.
We have theme or what?
It's nothing.
What does flex has? Kind and light.
And light, okay.
Equals primary and light equals
I think it was
number.
No, light. I think it was 25 to 900. Yeah.
Okay. And it's already working. I don't see the padding though. It's like it doesn't have it, or maybe it's so small. Okay, kind primary. Where's your padding?
Padding start. What's that?
I don't know.
That's why it says like that. It start something. So something is wrong in here.
You forgot.
It's missing the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything
here,
else?
no?
Yeah.
Ooh. And this one as well.
Yeah,
So maybe now
that's
it's working.
Yeah, it does. It has padding, and probably we can do more than padding. Not sure. Do we have border?
Border, shadow map with wrap direction. Justify get padding. No border here. Just shadow.
Radius, we got radius.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, okay. Yeah, we have radius.
Left, full, small, normal. I don't think it's normal.
Yeah, it's not normal is default, actually.
What's the other one?
One sec.
Large.
It might be.
I still don't see the radius. It's like not working.
Radius is just a string in type.
Maybe it's not updated.
Yeah.
How does it work anyway?
It should be on line 77. In style, yeah.
Normal border radius over 16. Okay.
Because it's this condition here with panel. Only if you send panel, you can put the border radius. If not, then it's 0. So I guess, can remove that maybe.
I'm thinking definitely let's remove it. Because we might add it later, but I don't see the reason of panel right now.
Yeah, no, I used that when I created for the forms. I was making use of it.
Yay. Yeah, so now it works. Let's do it for the other members as well. Really?
What?
I'm not gonna do it that way.
Why?
I'm lazy. However, it's span 1. Yeah, that's cool. And see, we will need one more. Those are the ones. So it's getting there. However, it's also getting to the point that I need to leave to pick up my kids. So we might stop the live and we'll continue once I get back. Now let's see if there are any questions. Questions. Okay. Bună, hello, it's Marian. Maria's over there.
Hi.
So we are practicing every single day to help people like you get into high-paid jobs. And we've been doing it for the past 7 years. And if you have any questions, I'm going to be a few minutes over here and then, yeah, we'll just stop the live. Continue later. Are there on YouTube any?
No, nothing.
Okay, so let's close YouTube now.